Welcome to Acupuncture for the Mind. This is a short instructional video to introduce you to the media player and some of its main features. As each new module loads, the media player will automatically load the required tracks to cover that particular module. When the media player loads, it will be in the pause mode. In order to start playback, all that you have to do is select the play button and click with the left mouse button.
Welcome and thank you for choosing to experience acupuncture program. I will be guiding you.
In order to pause playback, you simply click on the pause button with the left mouse button. And in order to resume playback, from the point where you paused the track, simply click on the play button again.
Tones to stimulate the meridian.
To the right of the pause button is the stop button. If you press the stop button, whether in playback or pause mode, the media player will return to the beginning of that track, timeline 0. Immediately to the right of the stop button is the next track button. If you click on this, the track will progress from track 1 to track 2.
You're now looking at the beat.
To the left of the control bar and to the left of the play button is the previous track button. If you click on this, the track will move back one track, in this instance from 2 to 1.
Welcome then.
To the extreme right of the control bar are the shuffle buttons. These allow you to fast forward or fast rewind through the currently playing track. To move forward, press and hold down the fast forward button with the left mouse button. To move back through the track, click and hold down with the left mouse button the fast rewind button. While the tracks are loading, the status bar will tell you at what stage the track loading is at. As you can tell, the track does not have to be fully loaded in order for the media player to start playback. Once the track is fully loaded, the status bar will then give you different information depending on where the mouse is hovering over and what you are looking to do. You also have the ability to select tracks by clicking on the numbered buttons at the bottom. We can tell from the track display that there are a maximum of 4 tracks and that we are currently situated in track number 4 of 4. If we want to go back to track number 2, we could either press the previous track button twice or we could select button number 2.
You're now looking at
2 more controls are slider controls. At the top of the media player is the volume control. By clicking on the button and holding the click on the mouse button down, you can slide that button to the left to decrease the volume, and you can do the same by moving to the right in order to increase the volume. The lower slider control is in fact the balance control, and for acupuncture for the mind we would ask that you do not adjust this but leave it in the middle position. To the left of the time display are 2 small buttons. To the far left is the time display button, which will change the way the time is displayed. In normal mode, it is time elapsed since the track began. By clicking on this button, it changes to time left to the end of the track. The small button just to the right of that is the repeat track button. If you wish to repeat a track again and again, perhaps a tone file, then all you need to do is click that button. 3 little dots appear above it to signify that the repeat track is on. To take the repeat track off, you just simply click the button again. That concludes this short video on the media player. If you have any further questions, then please contact our customer support. There is a link on every page, and we will answer any questions that you may have. Thank you.